Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, yes, Tuesday, August the 5th, 2021. The last puzzle in this edition I will solve. I won't solve them all. 4 out of 7 I will do. And this one is a Tectonic with 4 stars, a.k.a. Suguru in Japanese. And this one will be number 318. No. 91. 91, yes. Correction. So 3191. Okay. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one. But for a 4-star Sudoku, I need 30 minutes or more. Alright. So let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Do we have any single box here in this puzzle? Yes, only one single box. Okay, dual boxes, only one here. And this one, I do not know in which order, but it contains the 1 and a 2. Okay. Let me see. We have a triple box then. The question is, do we have a triple box here? That's the next question. Triple box in this puzzle? No. Quadra box? Well, we have here a quadra box. And these two boxes cannot be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3, and the 4. Okay. Okay, so the next strategy is to recognize some shapes or figures or structures or constructions, whatever, you name it. All right. And the first one is the L shape. This one is upside down. Let me draw this one. We have not so much space here. Yeah. Remember that this box has always the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay, here another L shape, so this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Oh, here we have also a quadra box. Ooh, overlooked. So we have 2 quadra boxes. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Okay. No, this is not a quadra box. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number. Oh, yeah, it's the same number as that box. Okay. Here another one, the same but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. All right. We have more. That's the question. No. Then the following shape, the Z construction. Yeah, the Z construction. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box It's the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. Yeah. Okay. So we have two connected numbers. The Z construction. Those are the figures. Yeah, those are the figures or shapes in this puzzle that you need to recognize. There are more, but in this puzzle we have 3 that you need to recognize. So the following step is let's get starting filling the numbers. All right. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Those 2 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. All right. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 4 and 2. Now, well, I cannot place a 2 here because we have a dual box, double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2 in this quadrat box. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 3 as a pair, 3 and a 1. 1 box left in this quadrat box for number 4, of course. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1 or a 3. We have a 1 and a 3 here, so those 2 boxes cannot be a 1 and a 3. The 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. And this box is also connected with that box, 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3, okay. The other 2 boxes in this Z construction are reserved for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 4. This box is also connected with that box, should be also 1 and a 3. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 4, cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. One of them oh well, 1 and a 3. We have a 3 in this L shape area, so it cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 1, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Okay, 1 box left in this quadrat box for the number 3. Okay. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 3. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Okay, 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 2 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 5. I think this box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3, should be a 4, and cannot be a 5. We have a number 5 there. So, yes, it's definitely a 4. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be a 1, can be a 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be a 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Alright. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be a 1, should be a 2, can be a 3, can be a 4. Cannot be a 5 because it is the same area. Yes, it's a 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1, 2 is missing and a 5 is missing. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright, 3 and a 5, we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 3 and a 5, this should be also 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5, okay. I think. Well, these 3 boxes surround the 5. Can it be a 5? So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And now we have a 5 here. So this box cannot be a 5 anymore. This box should be a 3. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 box left in this L shape for the number 5. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Well, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let me see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2 in this quadrat box. So the 2 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So the other pair should be 3 and a 1. Alright. Yeah. So this box cannot be a 2 or a 4. We have a double 2 there, double 4 there. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this area for the number 3. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place a 3 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill or place any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 3 here. The only place for the 3 should be there. Alright. Okay. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there, because we have a 1 here. That means that this box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. This box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 4 goes there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 2 because it's a pair. Alright, 1 and a 3. Okay, but those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. I have here 2 and a 4. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 4. Alright, 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5 in this area. Well, I cannot place the 1 here, otherwise I cannot place any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, this box should be a 3. almost finished. Okay, this box gonna be a 5, that box gonna be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore, that box should be 2, and this box should be a 4. Finish in 50 minutes. Wow, I have told you 30 minutes or more. So is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this a 3 stars? No. Is this a 2 stars? Yeah, let me give this a 2 stars. Oh, apologies. Yeah, so it's not quite a 4-star Tectonic. Yesterday, it was a tough one, yes. Tough one. But I'm pleased with the time. I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Tuesday. And we will meet again tomorrow on Wednesday. Yes, tomorrow is Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.